The error code F7 on a Maytag oven indicates a fault with the touchpad, which could be caused by a stuck key or damage to the touchpad itself. Possible causes of this error include a button being stuck in the LCD panel or the touchpad being damaged. To fix the issue, start by cleaning the LCD panel. Disconnect the oven from the power supply. Then check the panel for any substances like food, oil, or sticky residue. Use a soft, damp cloth to clean the area 2 to 3 times, making sure to remove any material that was stuck. Reconnect the oven to the power supply. Turn it on, and try operating the keys to see if the error persists. If the error remains, it may be necessary to replace the touchpad, as it could be shorted or damaged. In this case, it is recommended to contact a professional for further assistance, as they can provide guidance on the next steps to take, which may include replacing the touchpad.